Hi, first grade scientists. We've been investigating the answer to this question. How do animals and plants survive when they are young? Well, we know that some offspring learn how to survive from their parents, while other offspring survive all by themselves using their instincts. Let's observe two videos to gather more evidence about how young animal offspring survive. The first video is going to show a parent bird feeding worms to its offspring. I want you to think about what the young bird offspring are doing to get their parent to feed them. Okay, let's observe. Oh, those little robin offspring really did a lot of things to let their parent know that they needed something. What did you notice the offspring doing? Cheep, 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 cheep. That's right. The offspring were making a ton of noise. They were signaling to the parent that they needed something. What was another thing you observed? That's right. Those bird chicks were moving around and really making a fuss in the nest. So, by moving and making noise, the little birds were signaling or showing the parent that they needed something. And that parent was absolutely responding. The parent brought food to the babies. Okay, in our next video, I want you to notice how a parent wolf supports its offspring. Think about what the young wolf offspring is doing to get the parent's attention. Here we go. That wolf pup is really energetic. Wow. So the wolf pup did a few funny things to let the wolf parent know it needed something. What did it do? Yeah, the pup was jumping up and it was biting at its parent's snout. It was really just jumping and moving around. It was staying really close to the parent. So there were so many things that the parent and the offspring were doing. And you could see that their relationship was one of closeness, right? Because that wolf pup did get the parent's attention. And we know that because the wolf parent moved with the baby and then started going to either get the baby food, give the baby attention, play with it, or to move it. Maybe the wolf pup wanted to go on an adventure. Now, did you notice that there was another pup that kind of was staying in the background, being a little more quiet? Did it seem like that pup was getting a lot of attention? No. So the wolf pup that got all the attention was really using its body to let the parent know that it wanted something. So we know that some young offspring signal their parents for help, and that means they do things to get their parents' attention. I want you to know that you've been doing such a great job acting out all the ways that offspring get their needs met. And if you feel like doing a little wolf pup dance, do it, but make sure that your parents are not doing something really important in the moment and just pretend that you're the wolf pup getting your parents' attention. You don't necessarily have to go up and get your parent involved too much in that little wolf offspring dance. Okay, so the big important science concept that we're really taking into our minds and our thinking is that some kinds of offspring get help from their parents and other kinds of young offspring survive on their own. Today's lesson is all about just thinking about how offspring let their families know when they need something, and when the family is really connected to the offspring, they communicate and they have signals. They show each other that they need something. So to end this lesson, I just want you to watch this quick video about how offspring survive with their parents. You have nothing to turn in for today, and I hope you enjoyed the lesson. I'll see you soon.